In front of me is Motorola Moto G60, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Information. Select Add Contact and tap on the chosen one. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To remove one of your contacts, use this X next to the chosen one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!